In this video, we are going to discuss about BSC Scan altcoin, and the best part of this altcoin that it's in pre-sale mode, and secondly, it will reward its holders with two altcoins, Bake and also with the Cake altcoin. In simple words, if you are going to hold this altcoin, you will get the rewards in Cake and also in Bake coin. And as we all know that these both altcoins are huge and also available on number of big exchanges, so it's a win-win situation. Stay tuned if you want to know more about this hidden gem on BSC Scan.
Feel uninvited.
Starting with the Baked Cake. The name of this altcoin is Baked Cake and also the ticker is same Baked Cake. Here you can see the entire supply of this altcoin. I will surely share the contact address in the description of this video. But how you can be eligible for the whitelist and also for participating in the pre-sale, because after 8 days the pre-sale will be live on the Pink Sale Finance. But before that you must have to join the whitelist. Here you can see the entire form of the whitelist. You have to follow them on the Twitter and also join their Telegram group to be eligible for the whitelist and also for the pre-sale. Now, what is Baked Cake all about? Basically, you can play the game, stake and much more with the Baked Cake. Baked Cake aim to reward the holders in both the cake and also in Baked tokens. Here you can see the entire white paper of this altcoin with weekly burns, games to earn Baked Cake. Best part of the Baked Cake is that it's using anti-whale systems, moonshot buybacks and other DeFi tools. The Baked Cake token and its symbol Baked Cake is the newest double rewards token and ecosystem on the BSC chain. Baked Cake token rewards the holders in Bake and Cake simultaneously. Tokenomics have a huge impact on growth of any altcoin. Here you can see 3% of every transaction goes straight back to the wallet in the form of Bake tokens, automatically converted as it's traded, so it doesn't affect the price of the altcoin. And 3% of every transaction goes straight back to the wallet in the form of Cake tokens, automatically converted as it's traded, so it doesn't affect the price of this altcoin. Now something important about the liquidity. 2% of every transaction goes directly to the liquidity pool to allow the trading and to help build a higher, steadier price floor for all the holders. Auto buyback. 1% of every transaction contributes towards buybacks. This is to ensure sustainable growth of the project and create a strong and stable chart. 3% of every transaction is used for marketing and outreach to grow and prosper for the long-term benefit for the holders and community. The Baked Cake ecosystem helps to connect the DeFi users together and also offers a wide range of innovative features like tools of trading, minting and creating your own special DeFi projects. Whatever you need, you will get on the Baked Cake. Baked Cake dApp comes with all the tools you need to be enhance your DeFi trading experience, from charts to sniper tools and portfolio tracking with much more. The Baked Cake dApp will keep you up to date with the entire ecosystem. Now something for the NFT lovers. The unique NFTs are designed not only to be bought and sold but to also reward the users who hold them through staking and trading. You will be able to get special benefits from certain NFTs. Each NFT will have a ranking of legendary, epic or common. And last but not the least, you also have the chance to play some games with the help of the Baked Cake. You can play the Baked Cake games, Baked Cakes, to earn the rewards paid out in Baked Cake native altcoin. You can also join other players and compete for high scores on the leaderboards and much more, and earn some more rewards only by playing the games on the Baked Cake. You have to join the whitelist for participating in the pre-sale. It's your chance to make some good amount of money with the help of Baked Cake. And the best part, you will get the rewards in Cake altcoin and also in Bake altcoin. Baked Cake is not just a simple BSC scan altcoin like others. It is like a one-stop shop for every user of the Baked Cake. If you like this video, kindly hit the like button. Thanks a lot.